Last night, the temperature dropped to meager 70 degrees Celsius, and this morning, the entire village is trapped in a deadly blizzard.
The time has come. The young and the strong, you must go. For our survival. Keep moving. We're almost there.
I can't feel my legs.
Just one more step. Footprints. Fresh. Keep close, the wind's picking up. Watch out, it's getting thick. We can't see anything. Hold on, keep up. Hold the pace. Watch out. It's too much. I can't see. Where are you? Over here. We're separated. Keep moving. We're almost there. I can barely see. Push on. For the village.